The State Water Project is really important. Delivering water to millions of residents in California is vital. I mean, without water, we can't have the life that we have here in California. So having this continuous water flow is important just to maintain public safety and just to be able to sustain our way of life. Inspection of all of our facilities is very important. It helps ensure that we have continual successful operations of the State Water Project. Inspection and maintenance go hand in hand. Inspection of the tunnels, it helps us really assess the condition of the current facility and what needs to be done so that we can plan for the current situation and for the future. It's really one of the first steps that we can take in order to assess the condition and ensure that we have continuous operations and maintenance and make deliveries to millions of customers. So they're vitally important.